Hello guys and welcome to I'm a Biker. Well, we have the Classic 350 with us again, the all new Classic 350. And well, if you ask me why we took this motorcycle again, it's simple because this time this is a fully loaded Classic 350. There are a lot of accessories that has been fitted and let's check out what it's all about. So guys, let's start right at the front. This is the new touring visor. So this is the entire that is coming part of the MIY accessory kit. So it fits properly for my height, which is about 5'11", just above 5'11" actually. So and with the helmet it's fine. There's not too much wind buffeting, but for a little bit shorter riders, what we have seen is that there's a lot of buffeting that comes, especially if your visor is open. But with the visor closed, it's fine. So this looks good. It's actually quite functional. I actually had a couple of small stones coming in from trucks and cars blocked by this visor, and some dirt as well. So in this rainy season it's quite helpful. So the next one that is there is of course the accessory crash guard. Of course, you know what the crash guards are for. Simply it saves you from from the bike crushing you if ever you lose balance. And of course, one thing that I really like to see is that it's a sump guard. It's not called a bash plate because essentially this is a road bike, so it's basically going to protect your engine casing and make sure that if you are doing a lot of experiments with this bike and taking it off-road and doing a lot of stuff that might not be this one's forte, the sump guard is going to keep your engine case safe. So if you've seen our review of the Classic 350, we actually absolutely love this all new Classic 350, and it's a huge step from what it was. And probably the one thing that we wish was different, if you watch our review, you will know that we wish that even though the vibrations on the mirror have come down a lot, we wish that it had better mirrors and much more easily adjustable. So these are the new adjustable mirrors. These are the new accessory mirrors. They are quite good. So even though they look a bit smaller, they have a quite wide angle of usage. And the best part is that they sort of cushion the vibrations a little bit, so it doesn't vibrate a lot. And the second thing is that it is kind of like an anti-glare. So even if you're riding in the night, if there are a lot of high beams behind you, you can actually see them much more clearly. Okay, moving on from the mirrors. So this bike is also loaded with the touring foot pegs. So basically these are a bit more wider. It's got nice rubber grip and you can actually rest your leg quite well. My only hindrance is that it sort of blocks the way in which you can, basically I'm very used to using the toes for up and down shifting. So with these little bit wider foot pegs, you kind of are forced to use the heel shifter as well all the time. But it's not a big thing. I mean, it's not a huge problem. You just need to get used to it. 5 minutes down the road, you're fine with it. But you have to consciously do it the first 2 times. But it is actually comfortable because you can keep your feet flat and it is quite relaxed, especially when you're riding long. Okay, then moving on. These are the touring seats accessories. These are quite comfortable. These have a slight curved shape for a little bit more low back support. Even the pillion seat has a bit more cushion, and of course you have the backrest as well, which is quite necessary, especially when you have a pillion and when you're giving the throttle, you don't want them falling off and you want their lower back to be supported so that they don't feel too much fatigue over the long run. So to check out any of these accessories and their prices, I will have them listed. The current prices, I'll have them listed in the description, but do check out your closest Royal Enfield store or the Royal Enfield website to purchase any of these accessories. Thanks for watching. Do check out our channel for more videos. There is also the Classic 350 review. Do check that out. I'll see you in the next one.